Okay, we've broken out the reserve camera, as the other one was playing up. I'm not sure if it's the cold weather. So, never used this one like this before. That doesn't mean you can't, just I haven't. And so, our survey said, we'll have to wait and see what that's going to be like. Oh God, bird shit all over it already. White grey SkyHunter. First trip at the field for the white grey SkyHunter. Yeehaw! Now this is Mr. Crazy Aeroplane. Oh yes. I can already see it's going to be a little bit of a devil here. A little bit of a devil. Glad I brought it though. So, what with camera failure and gopher failure, get a load. It's such a sweet little model. So nice to fly. So nice. Yeehaw! Another simple model. Another model with the old 2450 motor in it. Racer Star. £3.50. Yep. £4 ESC, 30 amp. So, you know, under £8, you've got your motor ESC combo, and it uses quadcopter 3-braided prop to great effect. I think it's a 5x4 something. I don't know. 5x4x3. On orange, so I better be careful. I'm not really sure how good that will be here. Not worried about the fact that it works or doesn't work, it's just the range. It's very flat here, which is good. Look at that. Just hands off. Look, hands off. I think we lost a little bit of signal then. Picked it up again though. Yeah, I'm going to be very careful with the orange receivers here. Very careful. Let's just check that out, see if we did have a brownout. Boop. Floater. So I think we did. Over in that corner. I don't know, maybe not. Well, okay, that's interesting. Still got rock solid there. Oh my God, which way are you going? Didn't help that I put that on the bottom. Well, it did. put some extra colour on it today on the wingtips. Really could do with some red on the top or something, 'cause it's a bit tricky to see. Get too low. Not like the other field. Lose your horizon in here. Then go over there. See, that would be in the farmer's field before. Now surprisingly, this has got a very good glide. Look at that. That's amazing, isn't it? It is amazing. Which means you get a very long time out of a battery. If you want. Yeah, shame about the other camera, not quite sure what's going on there, but it didn't charge up right when it is old. Like me. Just having a crazy day. A bit like me. Still, we had to use the battery powered glue gun for the first time ever. Had it about only 4 years. So that's not to be scoffed at because it worked. Just suck the life out of the battery there. Right, well, that's probably that battery. So I forgot to start the timer. Come on, Dread. It weighs nothing, but still won't want it to hit you in the head. Still not entirely sure how they use these for FPV. Still, never mind. No, didn't lose a signal at all. So I'll take it all back. I think discretion might be the better part of valour with this transmitter. It's on 4.7 volts and it's an old battery.
Yep. Yep. I think we're going to call that quits. Don't want to risk that. Oh, that. Thank you.
So our survey said, what kind of a day have we had? Well, we flew the F-22 very successfully. The Gotha, well, still not sure about that. So I'm to get the CG further back with the bigger battery and have a little bit of a play about with it. Build a new nose and micro SkyHunter as ever. Good fallback. Flew great. Love it. Thank you.